Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. So today's video, I am going to be doing a twist out using some new products that I've never used before. I am going to be taking the Alikay Naturals line, and I recently purchased their LOC Method. It's like an LOC Method kit. It comes with a leave-in conditioner, and then it comes with a hair moisturizer, and then it also comes with a oil, which is their Shine Crave hair glosser. I was about to say Glossier, but then I was like, no, that's so wrong. Anyways, I'm super excited to be using this because I've heard so many great things about Alikay Naturals. Sorry y'all, it is warm outside, so the block is hot. So if you guys hear horns, if you hear music, I apologize. It's summer in Brooklyn, y'all. But anyway, super excited to be trying out Alikay Naturals. I've never tried them before, but I've heard really good things about them. And you guys, I always say this, but my girl Casey put me on to them, and I was like, this little kit would be perfect, especially because I'm still breaking into natural hair, like learning about my natural hair. And I'm like, okay, I know the LOC method, so let me just follow these steps and we're gonna see how this twist out turn out. So, you know, we learning together. So yeah, let's get into this video. Hey. Alright y'all, so my leave-in conditioner is already in. I did that in the shower because I have low porosity hair, and I've just been finding that doing all of like my prep for my hair in a shower makes a complete difference. Like, bruh, when I tell you, my hair, game changer. Anyway, so I will talk a little bit about this leave-in conditioner while I am separating my hair. So the leave-in conditioner has lemongrass oil and aloe vera in it, and y'all, when I tell you, that leave-in conditioner smelled amazing. And I was a little hesitant about the leave-in conditioner because it came in like the spray nozzle, and I really don't like spray nozzles, but it wasn't that bad. All right, you guys, so the first product that I'm going to be taking is the Shea yogurt, which is the hair moisturizer type styler situation. As you guys can see, it just melts into my hand and melts into my hair. So I really like the texture of this product. I've never used a shea butter before, but I loved it. The next thing that I'm going to take is the Shine Crave, which is the hair glosser. And I'm just going to use that to lock in all of the products that we put in before. And then I'm going to begin my twist. I actually realized the order that I put these products in was actually the LCO method, which is your leave-in, your cream, and then your oil. This is the first time I ever did this way. Usually I do the LOC method, but I was not mad at the results. So you can do it either or depending on what your hair likes. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, doing my twist and taking it all the way to the bottom. Then I'm going to twirl the twist around my finger a few times just to get that nice uniform coil. As you guys can see, these twists are super juicy and just perfect. Like, I was so shocked at how well like my hair liked these products. All right, so I let my hair air dry overnight. Yes, overnight, you guys, and I'm already taking my hair out. Like, I was super shocked. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Shine Crave oil, and I'm going to coat my hands, and then I'm gonna begin to unravel these twists. Can we get into this definition? And the fact that my hair is dry, my hair is never dry the next day. Hello, twist out, a healthy one. Can we get into this? Listen, I was trying to wait for, like, you know, the end, but y'all gotta get this real-time response, okay? Alikay, hello. Wow, I'm like, with every twist I am shook. I have not had a bad twist. I've had like one twist that was semi-damp still, but I think that was because I was underneath the shower and a little bit of water got on my bonnet. But y'all, I am so shook. Like, I'm shook. My twist out has never been this good, and I feel like I have length still. Like, wow, okay. All right, of course we need to separate these, but y'all, I am so shocked. So I'm just gonna separate where it kind of naturally separates a little bit. And it's dry, that's the thing. Not dry like in a bad way. It's dry like I'm able to do. I did this last night, like at 9. Listen, my other twist outs could never. This line is so good, and my hands are hella moisturized. Like, excuse my language, but very moisturized. Like, I could put this little oil left over on my elbows, okay? On my elbows. Do you hear me? My hair feels so moisturized, and the fact of the matter is, I was able to take this twist out 12 hours later. Like, my hair typically takes forever to dry. Forever. But I don't know, maybe it's because it was a shea butter. I've never gone in with the shea butter before. I usually go in probably with like water-based products for my twist outs, so that might be the game changer. But you guys, I am so pleased with this. Like, my hair looks incredible. It feels incredible. Like, Alikay Naturals, sis, call me, because I just gotta personally say thank you. I gotta hug you, okay? So my favorite thing out of the line would have to be the Shea yogurt, which is this one right here. Like I said before, I've never gone in with a Shea butter, but I am so pleased. Like, I am now a believer in Shea butter. And of course, I'm still trying to play around with it to get it the fluffiness and the bigness that I want. The volume that I want, but I am so pleased, you guys. Like, I absolutely love how this looks. I haven't done a twist out in a while because I've been stuck on wash and goes, but your girl is back. Twist outs are back, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And while you're here, check out some of my other natural hair videos. See you guys later. Bye.